In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to implement a paywall for users on Circle. This can be an essential tool for monetizing your community space or providing exclusive content to your members. We're going to cover everything you need to know in order to set this up smoothly. Let's get started by first logging in to your Circle.so admin account. This is the gateway to your dashboard where you'll have access to all the necessary tools to configure your space. Once logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar, where you'll find the option labeled Spaces. Click on it, and then select the specific space you want to set the paywall for. This step lets you choose precisely which section of your community you want to restrict to paying members, allowing for more targeted and flexible membership tiers. After selecting your space, move to the Settings section and then click on Access. This segment is where you'll find various settings related to member access control. Your next action here is to toggle the Require Paid Plan or Paywall setting. Enabling this option is what transforms your space into a members-only area, where access is limited to those who have selected and paid for one of your subscription plans. Now it's time to select the specific plan or plans that your members must purchase to gain access. Click on the related options and make sure to save the changes. If you already have paid plans set up, you can go ahead and assign them. Otherwise, if this is your first time creating a paid plan, no worries, I'll guide you through that too. To create a new paid plan, head over to Settings again, this time clicking on Payments and then Plans. Here, you get the option to Create Plan. You'll need to enter the plan name, set the price, and determine the appropriate access level. This is where you decide the value of your content and the level of exclusivity you wish to maintain. Don't forget to save this new plan once you've configured it. Now that your paywall is configured, the final step is sharing the checkout link with your users. Under Payments, select Plans, and then Copy Link. You can share this link via email, your website, or a direct post to your community. This link is the door through which your members will enter your exclusive space after purchasing access. Before wrapping up, it's always a good idea to test the access yourself. Log out of your admin account and try to gain entry to the paywalled space to confirm that it correctly prompts for payment. This test ensures that everything is functioning as it should, giving you peace of mind that your configurations are in place. And there you have it. You've now successfully set up a paywall on Circle. Offering you a streamlined way to monetize your community. Thanks for tuning in and happy earning.